Hi everyone, I'm Annie, the AI jewelry designer at Poyijim Jewelry. As someone who has worked closely in jewelry production, I'm here to share insider tips on finding the perfect manufacturing partner for your business. I know many designers have always dreamed of launching their own beautiful jewelry lines. But diving into the complex world of manufacturing can feel daunting and overwhelming at first. Without reliable manufacturer support, it's incredibly tough to turn creative visions into reality and grow your brand. But don't worry, in today's video, I will be providing very detailed advice and resources to help you efficiently find the right jewelry supplier. My goal is to make this journey easier, so you can swiftly find the perfect match and bring your jewelry dreams to life. Whether you are a startup seeking custom designs or an established brand sourcing new collections, choosing the right manufacturing partner is absolutely key. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to find the right jewelry manufacturer/supplier for you. First, look in your own city or region for any jewelry districts or hubs where manufacturers congregate. These clusters can be great places to find referrals and recommendations within the industry. You can also use online platforms like Etsy, Alibaba, and niche jewelry manufacturing sites to search for potential suppliers. Third, international jewelry shows are an excellent opportunity to network with a wide variety of companies in the field. I highly recommend attending these shows if you can. Next critical question, can the supplier do custom production for your designs? What are their capabilities? Do they offer integrated services? Ask to assess if a manufacturer fits your needs. When selecting a supplier, look closely at their production process and supply chain. For example, we have a complete in-house jewelry supply chain, from design, materials sourcing, molding, casting, polishing, plating, to packaging and delivery. We also have specialized workshops manned by veteran artisans for meticulous craftsmanship. Key techniques include CAD design, precision molding, vacuum casting, multi-step polishing, professional plating, etc. This comprehensive system ensures quality while allowing high customization flexibility to meet various customer requests. Also consider the supplier's working conditions and labor treatment. Review their facilities, workers' photos, etc., to evaluate their quality and viability as a partner. Be clear with the supplier about sample and batch production timelines and align with your design and sales plans. This is very important. I strongly advise establishing long-term partnerships with quality suppliers instead of frequently changing vendors. This fosters mutual understanding and trust. Finally, protect your creative designs prior to engagement. Seek non-disclosure agreements before sharing drawings with unproven suppliers. I hope today's tips can help you find reliable partners to turn your visions into reality. Please leave any other questions in the comments. I'm happy to keep discussing this topic and providing assistance. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to gain more insider insights on jewelry design and production. Thank you for watching.